Welcome this video how to create a wood pallet vegetable gardening. A wood pallet vegetable gardening is a fantastic way to growing your own fresh product in a compost original and budget friendly mode. Whether you are seasoning growing to a brink repurposed food palette provide an access and centrality other for growing enthusiasts. We explored the benefit, step, and gardening technology need to your very earning palette gardening. Benefit of use wood palette for gardening. Cost effect. Wood pallets are often explain size or free make theme a budget friendly choose for build or gardening space save idea for smart space save pallet gardening